Okay, I'm going to go through the seasons practice just to have a quick check on how you do on understanding the seasons so far. You can do this. All right, here we go. I'm just going to go quick too. And see if you could answer it correctly before I do. Seasons. What is the main cause of the Earth's seasons? The moon and the tides, the sun and its orbit, the tilting of the Earth's axis, or the distance between the Earth and the sun? And the answer is C, the tilting of the Earth's axis. Number 2. What is the name given for the 2 days that are the shortest and longest in the year? Equinox, solstice, vernal, autumnal. And the answer is solstice. Number 3. What seasons do the solstices occur? Winter and spring, summer and fall, summer and winter, or winter and fall? And the answer is summer and winter. Those are the longest days of the year. Number 4. According to the illustration below, what season is it in the northern hemisphere? Winter, spring, summer, fall. And the answer is winter. Number 5. What is the Earth's motion around the sun in a circular orbit called? Revolution, roll, spin, rotation. It's going around the sun, so that is a revolution. How many days does it take the Earth to orbit the sun? Earth going around the sun. 1 day, 52 days, 100 days, or 365 days? And the answer is 365 days. What is the name given for the 2 days that have equal hours of day and night? Equinox, solstice, vernal, autumnal. And the answer is equinox. Which number represents the spring equinox in the northern hemisphere? Well, this is summer. Our number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. This is summer, and this is winter. So summer turns into fall, and fall turns into spring. So the answer is number 2, spring. Number 9. What day does summer begin in the South? June 21st, March 21st, December 21st, September 21st. Summer in the South is not summer in the North, so that would be December. December is winter in the South. When it's summer in the North, it's winter in the South. Number 10. What is another name for the spring equinox? Spring solstice, autumn equinox, winter solstice, vernal equinox. The spring would be the vernal equinox, because solstice is not, there's no spring solstice, there's no winter solstice is not spring. Autumn means fall, so it's a vernal equinox. Number 11. What is the name of the imaginary line in which the Earth spins? What's the name of that line? Axis, tilt, equator, angle. And the answer is axis. Number 12. How many degrees is the axis of the Earth tilted? 45.5, 23.5, 90.5, 13.5, and the answer is 23.5. 13. Which number represents the winter solstice in the north hemisphere? Well, here's summer, 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 summer. So what would be the winter? C, right there. That's winter in the northern hemisphere. Number 14. Which of the following is true about winter in the north? Earth is farthest from the sun is low in the sky, the day and night are the same lengths, the South Pole is dark 24 hours per day. What is true about them both? What's true about winter in the north? The sun is low in the sky. Number 15. What would happen if the Earth's axis was straight up and down instead of tilted? No tilt. Life on Earth would not be possible. There would be no seasons. There would be no night or day. The Earth would be covered with ice. And the answer is there would be no seasons. No tilt, no seasons. 16. Now I kept getting this one wrong. Which drawing best shows the sizes and distances between the Earth and the sun? Well, is it A, B, C, and D? And notice the sun on each of those. Which one is the best description according to this? A. It's pretty equal around. There's a slight ellipse, but not that much. So this is, I was thinking it was this one, but it's this one, according to these cards. That one. Right here, let's look at this one. Nah. All right, we are almost done. 17. What term describes the Earth spinning around on the axis? Revolution, roll, spin, or rotation? And the answer is rotation. 18. How long does each season last? Each season. 365 days, 3 years, 3 months, or 30 days? And the answer is 3 months. Let's look at number 19. What causes day and night? The sun goes around the earth orbits the sun, the moon rising causes night, the earth rotating on its axis. What causes day and night? The earth rotating on its axis. The equator receives what than the northern hemisphere? So the equator receives what than the northern hemisphere? More direct light, less direct light, more nighttime, or sunlight at a higher temperature? And notice, here's the northern hemisphere, and here's the equator. And it receives, the answer is more direct light. 21. Which number represents the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere? And here's the north again. Summer in the north. Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? And the answer is A, number 1 right here. It's tilting towards the sun. These are tilting away from the sun. This is tilting towards the sun. 22. In December, the northern hemisphere receives the most direct sunlight. Remember, December. Receive the most powerful sunlight in December? Has the fewest hours of daylight? Or has the sun the highest in the sky? In December in the north, we have the fewest hours of daylight. This one right here. Which ones are, what was the question? Sun. Here are the halfway ones right here. Are they tilted towards the sun? No. So, 23. Halfway between the solstices, which hemisphere is tilted toward the sun? The northern hemisphere, the southern hemisphere, neither hemisphere, or both hemispheres? And if we go back to this question here, hold up, let's go back to the question. Which one is tilted, which of the halfways are tilted towards the sun? The answer is neither. And 24, during the summer solstice in the southern hemisphere, the most direct sunlight hits an imaginary line called, let's see, summer solstice in the south. Tropic of Cancer, equator, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, and the answer is... Nope, no, I take that back. Tropic of Capricorn. And here it is, it's right here, across the bottom. Okay? All right, so hopefully you did well on that, and you were able to get most of those answers right. I'm just kind of doing that as a quick review of the information we've been learning. So hopefully you're doing well with that.